2026 Toyota Century, a premier sedan that redefines grace, refinement, and calm confidence, is the epitome of Japanese luxury. The new Century, which has its roots in exclusivity, combines cutting-edge technology with classic workmanship to create a genuinely remarkable driving experience. The Century has a subtle grace on the outside. It has a stately yet contemporary presence with its long, imposing form, strong grille, and slick LED lighting. Constructed from lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel, the structure is not only sturdy, but also optimized for quiet cabin operation and exceptional riding comfort. The cabin greets you with calm elegance as soon as you enter. A calm setting designed for VIP comfort is created with handcrafted wood trim, premium leather upholstery, and ambient lighting. Rear passengers benefit from power reclining seats with massaging capabilities, rear information displays, and even a refrigerator. Luxuries usually found only on private aircraft, whether you go for the 5-seat arrangement or the 4-seat executive layout. A powerful 5.0-liter V8 hybrid engine under the hood of the 2026 Century produces an amazing 431 horsepower. In the ultra-luxury vehicle market, this hybrid technology guarantees whisper-quiet operation, smooth acceleration, and enhanced fuel efficiency, a unique combination. A sophisticated 8-speed automatic transmission smoothly transfers power to the back wheels, guaranteeing a calm and easy ride. Technology is widely available but covert. Wireless charging, a head-up display, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto help the driver stay connected and focused. The cabin is filled with rich, engrossing sound from the 20-speaker premium audio system. In the 21st century, safety is crucial. Toyota's most recent Safety Sense suite contributes to peace of mind with features like a surround view camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a pre-collision system that detects pedestrians. Depending on specifications and extra packages, the Century is anticipated to retail for between $120,000 and $150,000 when it launches in early 2026. Although mainly aimed at the native Japanese market, some locations may have limited worldwide distribution. The 2026 Toyota Century offers discriminating drivers a calm, respectable, and opulent driving experience unmatched by anything else in its class. It is the ideal fusion of tradition and modernity in every way.